Hello everybody, I'm Nurullah Sherbekov. The course name is Advanced Software Engineering, and today's topic is software testing. The objective of the presentation is to show how to define software testing principles. What are the types of software tests? What's the test planning, test execution, and reporting, and real-time testing? So how to define software testing principles? There are testing, the execution of the program to find its faults, verification, the process of proving the program's correctness, validation, the process of finding errors by executing the program in a regular environment, and debugging, diagnosing the error and correct it. Software testing principles: to remove as many defects as possible before test, since the quality improvement potential of the testing is limited. What are the types of software tests? Unit testing, white box, integration testing, function testing, black box, regression testing, system test, acceptance, and installation tests. Unit testing, white box. Individual components are tested. It's puff test to focus on a relatively small segment of the code and aim experience high percentage of the internal puff. Disadvantage: the tester might be based by previous experience and the test value may not cover all the possible values. Integration testing: top-down integration test, bottom-up integration test. Top-down integration test: the control program is tested first. Modules are integrated in one at a time. Emphasize on interface testing. Advantage: no test drivers need interface errors or discovered early modular features aid debugging. Disadvantage: test stops are needed. Errors in the critical modules at low levels are found late. Top-down testing. Bottom-up integration test: all of early testing aimed at proving feasibility, emphasize on module functionality and performance. Advantage: no test stops are needed. Errors in critical modules are found at early. Disadvantage: test drivers are needed. Interface errors are discovered late. So bottom-up testing, test drivers, level 1 level test drivers. Function testing, black box, designed to exercise to its external specification. Testers not based by knowledge of the program design. The need for explicit state requirements only cover small portion of the possible test conditions. Regression testing: test effects of the newly introduced changes on all the previously integrated code. The common strategy is to accumulate a comprehensive regression bucket, but also is defined as subset. The full bucket is run only occasionally, but the subset is run against every spin. Disadvantage: to decide how much of a subset to use and which tests are selected. What's the testing plan? Define the functions, rules, and methods of all testing phases. Testing plan usually start during the requirement phase. Major test plan elements are objectives for each test phase, schedules and responsibles for each test activity, availability of the tools, facilities, and test libraries. Set the criteria for the completion. Test execution and reporting: testing should be treated like an experiment. Testing requires total anomalous behavior be not investigated. Big companies keep special library with all the copies of the test reports, incident forms, and test plans. Real-time testing. Real-time testing is necessary because of the deployment system is usually more complicated than the development system. Rules apply for the testing real-time system. Evaluate possible deadlocks, thrashing, and special time conditions. Use tests and to simulate the hardware faults. Use hardware simulation to stress the software design. Design ways simulate modules missing in the development system. References: Demula, Software Testing Evolution, German Communist Publishing Company, California, 1987. Somewhere was Software Engineering Disinvestment Publishing Company, 1996. Home for Managing the Software Process Division Publishing Company, 1990. Thank you.